Hey, what's up, guys? Miluda here. Are you interested in creating mobile content like a pitch deck or a presentation in less than 30 seconds? If so, then you are going to want to stick around for this. So, opening here my browser, I'm using Google Chrome and pasting in the URL for the website. It seems to be a landing page for an application explaining the features. Uh, Okay, I like the design. And here is a tutorial. Oh, templates. They are really catchy. And there seems to be an application, mobile application. Okay, let's try the web magic. I wanna try first the prompt. For example, I wanna create a presentation on how to launch a space shuttle and see how fast it can render content. Okay, I like these sentences. They are kind of silly. It promises under 30 seconds and boom. Okay. Now I want to challenge this to create a pitch deck or a presentation for a mobile application, say for trading, that allows in the same time users to read financial news and go. Okay. So okay, it's taking a little bit longer than the last request. Okay, introduction of the app, features. Okay, for the quiz, let's say I want to make a quiz about black holes. And go. Okay, black holes is really specialized concept in physics. And let's see how the questions are made and the choices too. If you are an educator, this could be a very interesting feature. You can make quizzes in less than 30 seconds. Okay, it's taking a little bit longer than the last request. Okay. Um, okay. It's making 8 questions interactive. You can click on the choices and verify if you're correct or wrong. This is beautiful, but these are in-depth questions. Like I could only answer for 1 or 2 of these questions correctly. Okay, now I'm gonna challenge this for the URL. I'm gonna choose a website like the Danish Checker to challenge the summarizing capabilities of the application. The Danish Checker is a website that allows you to verify the propagation of a Danish record. I'm gonna copy the URL and paste it here and go. Now, this website is more functional than content. It's not a blog, it's not Wikipedia, so it's not only summarizing. So I want to know how it's going to behave with this kind of websites. These two can be really important for marketing if you have already an existing platform and do want to share some kind of mobile content about it. Okay, explaining what is DNS, propagation, types of records, failures. Oh, okay. You can, by the way, you can share this content or get it as a video or as an image, export it as an image and get it for less than $1. So I think this for the time is a win. Now let's try, for example, the text feature. I'm gonna look in Wikipedia, for example, about a topic, Danish, for example. Yeah. Okay. Just not to create any confusion, I'm gonna try another technical topic like the IP4. And copy partially the text to see if it summarizes the text that we give to the model, or it searches another content. Okay, so also it says here that you can use it for an open access Google Doc. So if you update the sharing parameters in your Google document and you have something within it, you can summarize it and convert it to a presentation, which is really wonderful. Okay, here it's taking a little bit also longer than the last time. Okay. It has references too. Maybe it fetched that from the Wikipedia page. So, in overall, I think this is a beautiful application. Here, for example, you can create mobile mockup for your application if you are an entrepreneur and you try to prove a concept for your product. But this, I think this feature only exists on the mobile application.
In overall, Piggy delivers on its promises, whether you are an entrepreneur, a product designer, a marketer, or a teacher. This tool can save you valuable time while offering you great value. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tool testing and tech tips. Peace out.